All right, biology enthusiasts, buckle up. Today I'm diving into the awe-inspiring world of evolution, one of the most fundamental processes driving the diversity and complexity of life on Earth. This isn't just a theory, it's the very fabric of our biological heritage, tracing back to the first microorganisms that appeared a staggering 3.8 billion years ago. So, let's get rolling. First off, let's talk fossils. Back in the 1820s, early dinosaur fossils were mistaken for giant iguanas. Fast forward to the 1850s and two-legged dinosaurs were challenging that view, highlighting the incredible diversity locked within the layers of Earth. Take whale evolution, for instance. Fossils show modern whales descended from land mammals with vestigial pelvis and hind limb bones still evident today. Discoveries like and from the 1990s and 2000s reveal a fascinating transition from land to sea. Now let's get into homologous structures. Remember Carl Linnaeus, his classification system based on structural similarities, unintentionally showcased evolutionary relationships. Think about it. The limbs of whales, bats, and humans share similar bone structures despite their different functions, pointing to a common ancestor. On a molecular level, shared RNA and DNA sequences between species further illustrate these evolutionary ties. The closer the species, the more similar their genetic makeup. Biogeography is another piece of the puzzle. Why are marsupials primarily found in Australia with just a few species in the Americas? Thanks to continental drift, we know marsupials evolved when continents were connected, and after they drifted apart, placental mammals outcompeted marsupials everywhere but isolated Australia. Darwin's finches on the Galapagos Islands offer another clue. Each island's finches adapted to their specific environments, resulting in distinct beak shapes and feeding habits. Moving on to direct observation. Yes, you can witness evolution in real time. Organisms with rapid reproduction rates like bacteria show evolutionary changes under selective pressures. Think antibiotic and pesticide resistance, clear evidence of evolution at work. The Italian wall lizard experiment in Croatia further demonstrated this. Within just a few decades, a lizard population introduced to a new environment developed distinct digestive and physical traits. So, to wrap it all up, we've got multiple lines of evidence supporting evolution: the fossil record, homologous structures, biogeography, and direct observation. Evolution is an ongoing process, intricately shaping life on Earth over millions of years. Understanding evolution is crucial for grasping the richness of life and our place within it. Stay curious, keep exploring, and remember, science is everywhere. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this deep dive into evolution, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more fascinating biology content. See you next time.